Hi guys, my name is Christian Ong. This is my vlog. This is gonna be my first vlog, and I just want to explore YouTube. Not just for watching, but also for like creating contents and sharing some, anything under the sun. Might be travels, might be experiences, anything. But for our first vlog, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. Pero backstory muna tayo. The reason why mag-unboxing tayo ngayon, kasi nasira yung aking trusty speaker. And naman pag meron kang um, nag nag-subscribe ka sa Netflix, kailangan mo ng speaker. Mahirap mag-headphones lang. So, napilitan kaming bumili ng speaker. So, for our unboxing ngayon, ang speaker natin, it's gonna be the, let me check. Logitech Z120. Purchase this sa isang store, sa isang mall na malapit lang sa amin. Yung store na yon hindi natin pwede pangalanan, pero para siyang katunog ng isang geometrical shape, no? Yun. So, yun na yun. Alam nyo na yun. Katunog ng pentagon. So, yun. Ito yung natin, yung speaker natin. So, yan, box na natin. Open natin siya. Logitech. Let's see. So, yan yung parang illustration nung item. And inside is you have cables. Baka malaglag. There you go. Yan. So ito siya, yung dalawang speaker, white. Medyo mahirap, medyo against the color nung PC na preferred, supposedly black. Yan siya, yun yung PC ko. Ano siya? i5 8400. So black sana siya, pero anything works. So ito yun, dalawang speaker, and then parang warranty card or warranty information, resibo, just put it inside the box. So yun lang yung kasama niya. Sabi dito, it's 3.5 USB powered, works with anything with 3.5 jack. So, TVs, computers, smartphones, tablets, music player. Ewan ko sa iPhones. So, yun. So, 2 speaker lang siya. Yung sa akin kasi, yung old ko, it's a micro lab. Ang difference lang nun, may subwoofer. Pero hindi naman ako masyado into music, but or anything. But gusto ko lang siya may subwoofer. So, ito, we'll test it out, and then I'll get back to you soon.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we're back. So, na-set up na natin siya. Ayan. Yan yung speaker. And then, so, ayun. Play lang tayo ng music. Ayan, play tayo ng music. Wait lang. Alright, so, it's playing na. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yeah, lagyan natin, sagad natin. Ayan, so okay naman siya. Yun lang, yung bass lang talaga. Medyo hindi maganda yung kasi nga maliit lang siya, wala siyang subwoofer. Pang samantagal na speaker lang yan. I guess 1 year or I don't know. Pero Logitech naman siya, mukhang okay, sana okay. But yeah, I mean, the speaker itself is okay. Solid naman yung plastic, and good thing, meron siyang parang ikutan dun sa likod. So parang hindi siya for cable management. Hindi naman parang yung nakakalat lang yung cables niya. So okay din yun. But yeah, the speaker looks okay to me as of now. We'll see how long it lasts. And then, from there, tingin lang tayo ng marami namang ibang speakers na magaganda. Merong Lantec, at kung ano-ano pang speakers na meron doon from the store. And since budget wise yung yung purchase natin, so okay na yan for a good start. So yun, for more videos, just simply subscribe and hit that bell icon. Parang basta yun lang. Just feel free to subscribe, comment for any suggestions you wanna talk about, or want to create natin. And yeah, thanks for watching. See ya, guys.